At Candy Skin in DeSoto, Texas, customers stop by for facials and skincare,
Our waiting area.
but their pride is in their signature service.
We are home of the greatest waxes.
We have 3 rooms on this side.
But the newest service on the menu isn't for clients at all. It's for staff.
It's about pouring into people. I'm really big on that. I want my employees to feel like they matter.
Candace Johnson is doing that by becoming one of the first businesses in Dallas County to join a new program that helps working parents pay for childcare. Employers pay $125 a month and the county matches it. That's $250 total, or up to $3,000 a year. Otherwise known as a TRI-share model, where employers help pay a portion, local government, city, county, or state, pays a portion, and the parent pays the remainder. In this TRI-share model, Dallas County is using TOOTRiS to funnel all 3 payments into one digital platform. TOOTRiS then seamlessly distributes that payment directly to the child care provider. The TOOTRiS platform is home to more than 230,000 licensed and vetted child care options, including summer camps, before and after school programs, nannies, and more. With over 100 filters, parents can find the perfect fit no matter when they work or where they need care. And a full concierge team is always ready to help.
I will reach out to them.
No refugee thought of that, to just think of workers like that, employees like that. I feel like it's very needed.
Ashley Brown's been working at Candy Skin for 7 years. But with a 1-year-old daughter at home and childcare as expensive as it is, her work schedule has trimmed down to just 2 days a week. She says this new benefit gets her back to work.
Big time. I can work whenever I want to, as many hours as I want to. I was like, who ever thought of that? It's just either have kids and need that assistance also, or they work with grandchildren.
The truth, somewhere in the middle.
All right. I'm an old dad.
The idea for the program came from Dallas County Judge Clay Lewis Jenkins.
I've got a 19-year-old who's a sophomore in college, but I've got 2 16-month-old twins who are here now.
He says after COVID, he asked community leaders what issues needed the most attention.
And the 2 things that rose to the top were mental health, and particularly mental health for children, and childcare. And so we put together a task force that worked on childcare.
Judge Lewis Jenkins says the lack of affordable childcare not only affects kids, but keeps parents out of the workforce. It also costs businesses in turnover and training. One study estimates that the Texas economy loses more than $11 billion a year due to a lack of childcare.
So when we started this program, the idea is pretty simple. It was, can we entice businesses that currently don't offer a benefit to offer a benefit of childcare? Because the bet is, our bet is, as a business, you're going to see improved morale and less absenteeism, higher retention rates, and that's going to encourage you to do a child care benefit even after our money is gone.
A new study from Moms First and the Boston Consulting Group looked at 5 different sized companies, from Etsy to UPS, and found every one of them made money back on childcare benefits, with ROI climbing as high as 425%. And now, thanks to an expanded Section 45F of federal legislation, employers offering a childcare benefit can get even more money back in tax credits. The credit rising from 25% to now 40%, and for small businesses, as high as 50%. With the cap expanding to $600,000. In other words, for every dollar a small business like Candy Skin spends in childcare benefits, they get 50 cents back in tax credits. And when you combine that with Dallas County's TRI-share model, the return for employers is significantly higher. They spend $1, the county matches it, and then the company gets 50 cents back. Essentially a 4-for-1 return on investment.
I can't tell you that every employer is going to keep the benefit, but I feel strongly that the vast majority will. And so what you'll see is when you're really searching for that top quality talent, they look at your benefits package.
I've told family and friends about it and explained that my employer is better than theirs, but I hope it spreads to others. And just any field of work, I hope that people catch on to that and actually want to pick up on that.